This video will demonstrate how to use the Coleman propane bottle fuel gauge. It's a digital readout. It uses the weight of the bottle. It apparently knows the empty weight of a bottle. And we're going to go ahead and show you folks how it can be used at your campsite, at your bug out location, or just general use. Okay? Thanks. This is the Coleman fuel gauge. Easy to read digital display shows fuel contents. It is used on the Coleman liquid propane canisters that you can find at any camp store, hardware store, your basic box stores. Let's go ahead and relieve it from its container. Be very careful, as you don't want to cut yourself. Comes with a detailed instruction booklet. And as always, remember to use the recycling bin for your recyclables. So what this consists of is it already has the batteries installed, so they give you this little pull tab here to make the battery operate. It has a protective covering over the display. There's an on-off button. This is your way to insert it into the bottle. We'll show you that in just a moment. Once we restage the scene here, be right back. And the instruction paper comes in English on one side and Spanish on the opposite side. Take the time to read the instructions completely so you understand, because this is a flammable object and you definitely don't want to cause any mishaps. Also, you're going to need to remove the plastic top because the scale will not fit unless you remove this plastic cap. A little bit difficult, but there you go. Then what you want to do is put the plastic on the top of the bottle you want to weigh as best you can, like that. As you can see, it slides in there like that. And then you want to be able to hold the assembly and lift up, and you can take a reading off of the display. But first, let's restage the presentation. And like I mentioned earlier, it comes with batteries already installed, or a battery already installed, so you want to just lift that plastic piece out like this. You can dispose it out all you want. Now see how it's lit. I'm going to now pick up the bottle. It now tells us the information we want to know. And then to turn it off, is now off. It's telling us the bottle's full. Of course, folks, you do want to pull off the protective cover, because that's how you'll know if it's working correctly. This is a full bottle, 16 ounces. I hope this demonstration was helpful in your ability to use this device correctly. so it doesn't give you any false readings. This is Admiral Preparedness, the Prepper.